Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to remove facial verification in Binance. Make sure to watch the video until the end not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. Now as you can see, currently you are on your Binance application. Just make sure that you are on the light version, which you can see right here on the bottom. It says Binance Pro. Make sure that this is looking the same just like on my screen. Now for you to do so, click on the top left panel where you can see the logo. And then from here, you're going to click on your user ID on your profile picture. Now you're going to click on security, which is going to be on the second row. And then from here, you can see multiple options. What you're going to go for is the passkey biometrics. Biometrics include your fingerprint and your facial recognition. So as you can see, currently from here, you must verify using passkey for important and biometrics. So if you see right here for the Google Password Manager, all you have to do is click on the delete button on the right, and then make sure that you remove this passkey, and that way you can get rid of the facial recognition. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.